If you don't like lava, but still love cool facts, then stick around. Did you know lava can reach temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit? That's hotter than the surface of Venus. And while lava is slow-moving on land, underwater it can flow at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Crazy, right? Here's something wild. There's a lava lake in Ethiopia that's been bubbling for over 100 years. And get this, Hawaiian lava flows can create new land, adding up to 42 acres in one eruption. Oh, and don't worry about quicksand. Lava is the real deal. It's so dense you'd float rather than sink. Talk about a fiery flotation device. So next time you see a volcano, remember these sizzling facts, stay curious, and keep those minds erupting.